My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you!
Go. Go.
Did you steal my phone? Did you?
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
What? What is going on?
That's right.
Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
What? What is going on?
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh
I thought it was a boca.
Dad, can we keep it?
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Raggy! Stop!
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
No, you.
Hey, Fatso! Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew your fat ass would.
No, you jumped over these double bacon.
Come on. She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
You are a fox. Funky.
Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me?
Can you read this? Oh my god! No, you jumped over these double bacon.
Program Theme has chosen me. He has chosen me. Oh my god.
Hey, Fatso! Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew your fat ass would.
Oh god.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop. Stop.
Where did you get that? Careful.
You're my new best friend. Oh, hello. Hello.
Is it time for smelling salts? What are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magno!
fregar conmigo, Rosy. Todo el pinche de ayer me tuviste cagando.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Hi. Oh, hi. What are you doing?
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No. Oh no. No. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Ah! Oh my god.
His name is John C. No, no.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Mimi? Kitty, kitty. Wow, you're nice, kitty.
You have 2 cookies, and I don't have any.
You don't belong in there.
You are a fox. Funky.
So chunky. I'm so sorry.
Is the cactus your best friend?
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Oh, hello. Be careful, buddy.
Oh my god.
Little black, hang on. Oh gosh.
Good boy, Kenneth.
Kona, really?
Get it off the couch.
Take it out.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
Raggy! Stop!
No, 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 no.
Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me?
अगर किसी ने हिलने की कोशिश की तो भून के रख दूंगा।
NANI? No. No, no.
Assis. Tic. Good boy. Move away.